In case you're new here, I explore natural history and art while traveling in a pop-top Toyota Sienna. Today we're continuing our Ojai Valley series, and we'll learn more about native plant gardening and habitat restoration by visiting the Rewild Ojai Native Garden Tour. This annual event, organized by the Ojai Valley Land Conservancy, showcases gardens designed around California native plants with the goal of supporting biodiversity, conserving water, and creating habitat for wildlife. Since we'll be looking at flowers and plants today in the gardens, I decided to do a different kind of painting inspired by the California poppy and the Matilija poppy, both iconic California native plants. The Matilija poppy is especially connected to this area, taking its name from the Matilija Canyon near Ojai. We're starting at Birdsong Ranch, a 170-acre property focused on conservation and habitat restoration that serves as the hub of the tour. This is a coast live oak, Quercus agrifolia. These evergreen trees are cornerstone species in California ecosystems, providing food and habitat for hundreds of wildlife species. Their thick, leathery leaves help reduce water loss and can even absorb moisture from coastal fog. Many of these trees are centuries old, and historically their acorns were an important food source for indigenous peoples, including the Chumash. Today, mature oaks are protected in many parts of California, although they remain threatened by development and diseases such as sudden oak death. The Ojai Valley Land Conservancy invited several groups to speak about native plants and restoration during the tour. Today, I'll be doing my first interview on this channel with a representative from the California Native Plant Society. I'm very grateful for her agreeing to participate.
We're a statewide organization, and we're all about encouraging people to grow native plants in their gardens, to conserve lands and restore land to support wildlife, pollinators, birds.
Absolutely, and you guys have a cool website for gardeners
Called Calscape, like landscape, only Calscape. They'll even tell you what nurseries carry the plant you picked.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One of the interesting things about driving between gardens on the tour is that you never quite know what you're going to encounter. Right outside one of the stops, we came across this California kingsnake. I just don't want him to get run over. The California kingsnake is a non-venomous constrictor found throughout much of California and the Southwest. It's especially well known for preying on other snakes, including rattlesnakes, and has specialized proteins that provide resistance to rattlesnake venom. California kingsnakes are highly adaptable predators, feeding on rodents, lizards, birds, and amphibians across a wide range of habitats. Their glossy scales and striking patterns vary considerably between individuals. These amazing smelling flowers are woolly blue curls, a California native in the mint family that is especially attractive to pollinators. Many California native plants evolved aromatic oils that help reduce water loss and discourage herbivory in dry environments. Overhead, we see turkey vultures circling on rising warm currents of air. Turkey vultures are specialized scavengers that play an important ecological role by removing carrion from the environment. They have an extraordinary sense of smell that allows them to detect decaying animals from over a mile away. Turkey vultures' bald heads and highly acidic digestive systems help them safely consume carrion that would be dangerous to many other animals. Unlike the endangered California condor, turkey vultures are smaller, hold their wings in a shallow V while soaring, and often rock side to side in flight. This is California black walnut, a native tree species found primarily in Southern California. If you're enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as I hope we can grow this channel to help people appreciate and hopefully protect our public lands and open spaces for all. One of the goals of the garden tour is to show how native plants can be incorporated into home landscapes. Compared to many ornamental species, California native plants are often better adapted to local climate conditions, require less water once established, and provide habitat for pollinators, birds, and other wildlife. Projects like this also connect people more directly to the ecosystems surrounding the Ojai Valley. Resources like the Calscape website can help people identify native plants appropriate for their area and locate nurseries that specialize in California native species. All done. Thanks for joining me on the Rewild Ojai Native Garden Tour. There's still a lot more to explore in the Ojai Valley, from river corridors to chaparral slopes and larger wilderness landscapes surrounding the valley. See you next time.